Hello everybody, this is Lisa and Timothy with the Home Hunters YouTube channel, and today we'll be showing you two homes. The first one here is in Madison, North Carolina, and it's listed at $79,900. It's on 10731 State Highway 704. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 990 square feet. It was built in 1950, and it is on 0.71 acres, so 3/4 of an acre. And also has been on the market for 26 days. It is in rural Stokes County. Conveniences aren't as far as they may seem. Be in Madison in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so let's see who the agent here is. It is Amanda Tucker, and her phone number is 336-971-4235. Okay, now let's see. Let's look at the pictures now. You can see it has a big deck out front. Got some nice grass and trees in the area. A little shed out here on the right side.
It's got an antenna at the top, too.
It does, yeah. Looks kind of like a little airplane. This house is like in a little nook with lots of trees around it. It's pushed back.
I like
pushed
that.
back from the street. It's nice. You'll see on Street View later.
And it's pretty flat from what I can see.
It is. Here's the kitchen. And also, I do want to comment on those double windows above the kitchen sink. I like
those
that.
are nice, yeah. You could change that and add some more cabinetry and a dishwasher.
Good, yeah. Here's the living area. Some more double windows here. And the house has a little coat closet.
Yeah. Is that the bedroom or?
This is the living room still.
Oh, it's the living room. Oh.
See, these are the double windows with the curtains, and then you can still see them here.
What's that door there?
That door, I believe, leads into the kitchen area. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the second bedroom. And they took a picture where the closet door was open also.
That's good.
Yeah, I like that too. Yeah. I like them to show as much of the house as possible in the photos.
Yeah.
And this is your main bathroom. This property has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Washer and dryer. I don't know where this is, unfortunately. Picture doesn't show.
Yeah.
It's probably off the kitchen, maybe, you know. There's your little shed out back. Now, let's see where this property is located. It is north of Winston-Salem and also northwest of Greensboro. It is in Madison, North Carolina. It's also east of Mount Airy. Okay, here's the street view I was talking about, how it's pushed back. I like that. Lots of trees around, lots of privacy.
Very nice. You don't have many neighbors, it looks like, either.
No, it's in a...
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's got a lot of land around it.
It's a beautiful area with all the trees and the green grass.
Here's your next door neighbors, which have a lot of trees between them and you.
Yeah. It's very nice.
And of course, the driveway leads up this way. Very nice area.
Okay, and the next house is in Albany, Georgia, 2026 Melrose Drive. It's $85,000, and it's got 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. It was built in 1954, and it's on a little over 1/4 of an acre. It's nestled in northwest Albany and close to local amenities. It's got an open patio and a fully fenced backyard. The HVA system is approximately 8 years old. And the listing agent is Marlena Davis, 478-456-7164.
Okay, it's time to look at the photos.
Has a lot of curb appeal.
I was about to say that, actually.
Beautiful trees.
I like the bushes, too. They're very well landscaped.
Yep.
Trimmed. Driveway here.
That's a pretty view of it.
It is. This is their main living area.
Got a lot of windows in the front. You can
It
get a
does.
good view out at that beautiful land.
That's right. It's one of the bedrooms. This house has 3 bedrooms. And this is the second bedroom. And your primary bathroom.
A little dining area.
Mm-hmm. You could paint the paneling if you want. It'll look a lot nicer, in
Mm-hmm.
my opinion, at
It
least.
would look lighter and
It
brighter.
would look lighter, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But you may like it. Who knows?
Yeah.
Everybody has a
Different taste.
Different taste,
Yeah.
yeah. And this is an additional room, which is titled the Den in the description.
I just wish they had lights on in there so you could actually see more.
Yeah.
You can't see a lot because it's so dark.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. There's a third bedroom here.
I like that it has a back door in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. This is your backyard.
It's got a little area where you could put a little covered with a pergola,
Uh-huh. You could.
little maybe something like that to give you a little shade.
Yeah.
It's got a satellite dish back there.
Okay, now let's see where this property is located. It is in Albany, Georgia. It is in West Albany over here.
And like they said, everything's around there. You've got all
That's
kinds
right.
of restaurants, stores, an airport. It's pretty on the street view also.
It is nice. And I do notice it has a carport over here on the side.
Mm.
It's also got some bushes and trees right next door, giving you some privacy on that side.
Yeah. And this was June of 2023 when this street view was taken.
And there's the neighbors. Okay, well, thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like and subscribe if you did. And we will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.
Bye.